Damn. There's the market open. Happy Friday, y'all. Damn, we were going deep. Let's go ahead and get our levels in order. Damn, that's a pretty big move overnight. London high. Yo, what up, Bot X Goku? How you doing, bro? Had a pretty massive move just now. Would not be surprised if we chop again, but I am looking for those hourly relative equal lows. I'm chilling, bro. Can't complain. Life is good, and just gotta lock it in today. Lock in another winning day, and keep the vibes up. That's the plan. Have you already drawn? No, I haven't. I'm gonna draw the giveaway winner after the stream. What up, Top Musical? Top Muscle? Top Muscle. Hey, bro, I'm gonna need some advice, bro. I need some top muscle in my life. AKA, I need some muscles in my life. Damn, we about to hit a trade this early. This would be crazy. Damn. That's crazy. Nah, do not copy trade me, bro. I'm so 50-50. I am not the one to copy trade, my guy. This is strictly entertainment. Do not recommend, if I'm being honest, bro. Damn, that was a 30-point pop. But I also say that about everyone. I don't think anyone should copy trade anyone. And here's my reason why, right? If you copy trade any person, and they could be the best trader in the world, and they lose, and you in return lose because you were copying them, you're gonna feel some type of way. Because one, it wasn't your decision, or I mean, it was your decision, but it wasn't your trade. And now later you're gonna see a move play out, and you're gonna be like, no, I'm not gonna take this trade because I already lost one. And then it's gonna play out, it's gonna win, it's gonna be a winning trade, and then you're gonna start to tilt, and then we all know what happens there. And that's why I say don't copy anybody's trades. I really said we live, and then I didn't post the link. I was like, what? Damn, that was a trade. Dang it. It's always, dude, these like market open inversions go fucking crazy. Damn, that would have been full TP with no drawdown. This is a trade that I was looking at. 1 minute inversion, sweep of London low. Or I mean, I guess we were at London low. And we have our major level right here at 28,542. It's like, dang, should I take that? And then I said no, and then the rest is history. The RR on that was like 30, like 2 to 1. That's good. I think the best way to do this is to learn. And whatever means that is for someone to learn, I think that's the goal. Yeah. Not like deadass every fucking trade that I don't take. Perfect. Just perfect. It's literally perfect. Just flipped too. Oh shit. It would have been a perfect TP. Yup. Say that. Damn.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Take a really low risk trade here back down to the lows. Wish I had gotten a better fill, but it is what it is. Alright, we're going break even here. Honestly think we could go lower. I would love... Oh, rip. Psychology is cooked. I can't fathom how I'm even alive. How you're alive? What is that supposed to mean? Like alive in trading? Damn. Well, it would have been stopped out. No, I'm down $21. I'm cooked. Oh, if we dang, the resweep would have been nice, low key. But now if we get this long, could be good. Especially because ES is running up pretty hard. Let's see. It'd be a worse risk to reward trade, but I feel that, man. I literally had so many days where I just had to look at myself in the mirror and I was just like, what do you want out of trading? Am I looking for something to stroke my ego, or am I looking for something to change my life? And I literally would just make the same thing say the same thing every day. Like, what am I doing here? Am I trading because I want the satisfaction of winning? No, that's not why I'm trading. And I literally that's pretty much the one thing that's kind of kept me in check through all of this. It's just that constant reminder of like, I literally don't care if I look like a fucking loser online. As long as like I'm getting better, I'm sticking to my rules. But the one thing is like, if I don't, there's no point in trading, because if I can't control myself, I might as well just stop. Can you make the winner of giveaway? What do you mean by that, bro? Make you the winner of the giveaway? No, I can't do that. But that could be what happens, but I can't personally do that. No. It's gonna be random. Hey man, if you're making the same mistakes all the time, I feel like that's the easy part. You recognize it, and now you gotta stop yourself. Damn. You gotta tell yourself, what do you want? It's the same. It's probably the same trap, the same mistake, the same ego mistakes. So yeah, just gotta find it in you to realize that what you're doing is, you know, not ideal, and work on it day by day. And look at yourself. The next time you want a revenge trade, the next time you look at the chart and want to chase a trade, this could be like, nah, I gotta wait for the setup. Damn, we're gonna go sweep it, aren't we? We probably end up sweeping this 4 hour level at 28,408. Damn. Great shorts. Unfortunate that I missed them. Yeah. Yeah, man, I did the same thing. I was chasing wins all the time, and I can literally tell you, like, an example of a trade that I would take is literally just like seeing this right here, seeing this massive candle come down, shorting right here, and then as it pulls back up, DCAing here, pulls up here, DCA here, and then pulls up here, and account's gone. That's literally just like just the thing that got me cooked for 6 months, from literally the start of this year all the way up until recently in May and June, right? And it's crazy because the second I stopped doing that, it's like I started getting payouts more. I started doing this more, and it's literally just like a matter of just those tiny little things that you know is not, the right play, not the right thing to do. You just got to start adjusting. If you see FOMO, just turn it off and come back, and next time when you see that same setup appear, don't get scared out of it, and just take it and then see what happens. Because I told myself I would rather take a trade up, like, say this right here, if this inversed like right here, I'd rather take this trade right here, and maybe I lose. At least if I lose, my stops are controlled. But if I take a short down here on no thesis, no setup, no anything, I don't have a stop loss. And that's where my emotional mistakes happened day in and day out, where it's like I'm chasing the move, and now that it's going against me, I'm like, oh shit, I don't have a plan. And yeah, and that's how I blew up probably 100 accounts. That's why now if I see a setup or I see something set up, like say right here, and I know my stop 590 to 610 is 20 points, I'll just take it, because the opposite is I end up watching it play out without me and feel some type of way. That's the worst. When you know that everything works but you, it's probably the hardest part. And that's when you got to start making those tiny little changes so that the problem isn't you anymore. But I know you can do it, because I also very emotional and I can do it. So that's why I know you can do it, bro. Just got to start, you know, those little tiny changes. Trade lockout feature is a great one. Damn, bro. Yeah, my short actually would have played out pretty well. Damn it. I think if I didn't have a hard stop, yeah, but getting in here kind of sucked because I think my fill was a little higher on than it should have been. 36. Yeah, 30-point stop would have been like a little above. Let's see. Can I see? Damn, we're really not gonna sweep previous day low. And sometimes, you know, you just gotta accept you might not have a trade that day too. That part sucks as well. But not losing on a no trade day is better than losing. I would rather be break even than on a loss any day. I'm still confused how this break even got me down $21, bro. Yeah, it's always the would haves. And Q is kind of nosediving though. God damn. But yeah, now's the hardest part. We just wait. Processing fee? What do you mean by processing fee? Oh. Oh, that's a big candle. Oh, no. I got slipped because it came back up really quick. Like this is my entry right here at 37. It got me out at 38, so I lost a few points. Before I used to tilt, just seeing break-even trades where I'm red, I used to tilt off that too, so I've definitely come a long way. Damn. Whoa. What in the world? Okay. What in the fuck? We just slammed through it. Okay, well that swept out previous day low. Nice. Nice. Yeah. What the hell? Here's that lick level. Alright, here's the sweep of the lows. Damn. Jeez, dude. Yes, sir, bro. That's the mentality. Damn. I'm getting cooked. It's like the freest shorts ever, bro. God damn. I think we have yellow folder news at 7. No, we don't have any news today. Might just be fried. Damn, bro. This is crazy. God damn. Yeah, this wasn't a news week. Which is crazy. Trump insider trade? Maybe. Maybe, bro. Isn't he speaking tonight? President Trump speaks at 9 p.m. tonight. He's gonna say, buy the stock market. Yeah, I see that too, bro. I'm not really sure. Not really sure. Damn. This is a great entry in hindsight. This is a great entry. That's fucking hilarious. Dang, it sucks because I wanna do the evals. Maybe I just chill on the fundeds and just smoke something on the evals real quick. This is kind of sucks. Alright, later Goku. Have a good one, bro. Enjoy your weekend. Rest up, bro.
All because I didn't take that off.
Damn. RIP, gang. 200 points, and we had one entry. Sucks. Damn.
Percent lower than the forecast of 4.8%.
Holdings, this is the level on ES2. Damn.
Just keeping an eye on the dollar here, just seeing a bit of a decline. No news to back up the move. It's a slow, small decline. Get no news headlines coming through at the moment. No reaction from WTI or the S&P 500. Again, more so on the Dixie overall.
Damn, there's literally no levels here. Make it hard to, a little hard to trade.
US new home sales July report on the feed for you to read through.
Guess like this is low key a support level. 483 was way up there though.
Seeing prior revisions coming through now. The US new home sales units prior revised to 0.618 million from the original prior of 0.580 million. US new home sales change prior revised to -4.3% from the original prior
Yeah.
of -7.3%.
It's just nothing. It's just don't have an entry. Damn, so hard. Might try this for a continuation. Oh, fuck it.
Order filled.
Now the risk is really low. Damn. Rip. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, Swiper. Please. Please. Let me win a trade. Please. Please, Swiper. Please. Don't do it. No.
Stop build.
Unlucky. Yeah. Let's chill. That's a diabolical top tick if it is, though. Oh, nah, gang. What up, Eddie? How you doing, bro? Damn. Diabolical. Damn, bro. Is it really gonna do this to me again? I'm down to take this 2-minute, honestly, if it closes. Let's see.
Oracle shares reversing course to hit a 2-year
Alright,
low,
I'm
last
gonna...
month
Order filled.
2.4%.
Nah. I want to make my lows like even lower.
No
Fuck.
headline catalyst for the reversal in Oracle here.
This will definitely be the last trade of the day. Damn, the stops are huge. We probably don't need that big a stop. Let's see. Nice. Nice. Gonna trail it. Gonna take that.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I was good with that. Bought some 0 DTE calls and this shit dumps. That's fucking, and that is quite literally how it happens. Dude, me and a couple homies were like, hey, should we play Google earnings? And we were like, Google earnings could hit, bro. And we were saying, hey, how about we all flip a coin, and if all 5 of us flip heads, we buy some Google calls on Google before earnings. All 4 of them all got heads, and I'm like, oh shit, I'm really the last one. And once I get home, I flip that coin, and it was tails. And I don't know if anyone knows, but Google fucking dumped. And I was just like, oh my god, guys. That might be the only time we were saved instead of just getting spanked. The market makers are crazy, bruh. Damn, ES already back up. Almost. Just gotta get that end of day pump. I don't know, I thought this price action was really weird. ES is holding it up like a champ. I'm gonna have to start using your indicator, bro. Shit is tough out here. Hey, your indicator have longs from the bottom? Just asking for a friend. Did it signal? Shoot.
So Axios reporter on X saying that Trump will meet Israel's PM Netanyahu at the White House on Tuesday. This is coming from Israeli's PM office, again being cited by an Axios reporter on X.
SPA sucks. Such as this week, though. Ooh. Yes, back to session highs almost. Damn. I would have been stop break even. Literally crazy. Damn, what a rejection off of the VWAP. It's crazy.
Order filled.
Oh no. I'm gonna take that inversion off, that 2-minute inversion off the VWAP. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna go break even here. And just let the rest of it go down to TP if it wants to. Nope. Doesn't want to? Oof.
Stop filled.
Damn. Alright, that's 3 for me. Damn, unlucky. Probably does go down eventually, but that's kind of a hard one to play out. No levels, right in the middle of the zero man land. I usually start doing really bad around here. So I'm gonna call it a day. I'm just gonna journal my trades real quick, and then yeah. I got started this trading journal. It's crazy. Oh, there she goes. All right, so today was oh, that was already 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 executions. Fuck, dude. Damn. Bro, are you it just had to come stop me out by like a fucking tick, bro. Are you serious? We being for real right now? Bro. Bro. Oh my days. Crazy. Okay. First one was shorts. Alright, I'm just putting the date first. 2026 07 23. Actually, I could do it like this so that you guys can see. And then yeah, so I have MNQ short. I think it was only short executions today, right? One, 2, 1 long, 3 shorts. Okay. And then copy 2, 3, 4 total. All MNQ. It was short, short, long, short. And I believe it was 3, 3, 4, 3. 3, 3, 4, 3. Here's the sucky part is it blocks my screen. Alright, first entry was at 28,536. Stop out was about 536, so 24 points. And my profit was 536 to 499, so about 37 points. Break even. And then the next one was also, dude, this fucking sucks, bro. Break even trades fucking suck. Oh no, the second one was a loss. 28,350. 28,350. Risk was
News citing an interview with Iraqi runs from Minister. Just a heads up here, Israel says net
381.
Tuesday.
So 31 points.
Go back to the Iraqi post, Tasnim post. Iraqi said
Was
regarding consultations
44
with
points.
Russia, China, Pakistan, their
So it
initiatives
was a
to
loss.
He said, as long as our goals are not achieved, it's natural that we continue our efforts.
394, 28,394. And then I ended up taking profit here at 28,422. What is that? 28 points. about the same, 28. And then the last one was a short from 28,376. Risk was lower, or actually it's probably pretty high. 76, that was like 45. Holy shit. And I was going for 76 down to 70. Damn, that's unlucky. And this was a break even.
Also, Rakshi Tasnim News says there have been discussions with Pakistan as a mediator regarding their initiative and proposals.
Stats are
Problem is
buns.
not an agreement between us and the US, but
Oh
rather
man.
the approach of the Americans. And just reiterates what's already been said before, just political stuff here, that they won't submit to the US's bullying, and they won't respond to threats, pressure, or intimidation.
Damn, it was a hold of VWAP too.
It also says that protecting the people of Iran and preserving Iran's interests is straight from us among our principles, and we are committed to them.
Yes, it was. Damn. Trade 1 was perfect. I think, damn, bro, my hair looks fucked. Trade 1 was actually perfect. Honestly, this one was perfect too. Took out the lows. Now we're going back up, but that's it for me. Short number 2. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. No. Damn, that one was horrible. No. So it's a 2-minute support and resistance. No. Break of VWAP. No. Yes. Yes. CSD. Yes. No. And I'm in Q short. Damn, interesting. Interesting. But I am seeing a pattern a little bit. Kind of. Damn, 1,000 contracts? That's crazy. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there. This price action is just not it for me. I'm gonna recognize that. And yeah, I'm gonna probably draw the winner of my giveaway in like an hour or so, and I'll have that posted up as soon as I can. But yeah, thank you guys for showing up, Appreciate all every day, and I will see you guys Monday. This Friday, so I'll see you guys Monday. Peace.